What is up, guys? Jeremy here, and welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing some coverage of the Provenance multi-system emulator application here on the channel. This is going to be episode 1, or the first video, and I'm just going to show you guys how to install it. That tends to be a general video searched on just to see the best method on installing the application, so that's what I'm going to cover here. But like I said, I'm going to do a bunch of coverage on this application, from how to install ROMs to how to use controllers with it, also how to back up your games and your save states, also crazy stuff like how to play PlayStation games on it. Now, if you guys didn't know, Provenance is a multi-system emulator. It does support a bunch of different gaming systems. I'll leave a link in the description that will show you guys all the different systems it does support, in case you guys are curious, so you can see which games you can install and play in it. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is install TWEAKBOX. I have it installed already. If you guys need to see how to install it, the video link for that will be down in the description. But basically, just install TWEAKBOX. It's a really good application to get provenance from. It's my go-to place. TWEAKBOX will never get revoked. It'll always be on your device, so it's just kind of a no-brainer to use TWEAKBOX. So we can go ahead and launch TWEAKBOX, and I'll back out here so you guys can see how to navigate to Provenance. Just go to the apps section, go to the TWEAKBOX apps there, and then scroll down until you see Provenance. It is a bit down in the list, so it might take a second here to locate it. And there it is right there. So go ahead and select on Provenance. From here, just click on Install. Click on Install on the pop-up again. And now we can exit out of TWEAKBOX, and as you can see, the application is now installing onto our device. And we'll just give it a second to download here and finish installing. Like I said, I'm going to be covering this application quite a bit. Playlist link for all the coverage is in the description if you guys want to discover more really cool things you can do with the app. But after you have installed it, now keep in mind, every time the certificate for this application gets revoked, which does happen pretty frequently, you will have to delete Provenance and reinstall it. It's somewhat annoying, and I don't know any kind of workaround for it yet, unless you are jailbroken on a older firmware. Of course, there's no jailbreak for iOS 13, at least as of the making of this video, but keep in mind, it'll get to the point where you'll try to launch it, and it'll say that it has been revoked, and you'll have to delete it and reinstall it. So you'll have to do this process, or redo this process every time that happens. So as you guys can see, it's an untrusted enterprise, so we can just go into Settings, go to General, scroll down until you see Profiles and Device Management, and it should be this Enterprise app right here. Go ahead and click on Trust, and Trust again on the pop-up. And now we can run the application. So as you guys see, Provenance now does open up. Keep in mind, this will be the process every time you have to delete it and reinstall it. A little bit annoying, but I'll be making more videos on this. So as you can see, the library here is empty. You do have to manually install the ROMs into Provenance. I'll be saving that for a separate video, so it's just kind of its own tutorial. That'll be the next video I do, so be sure to check out that playlist. Like I said, playlist link is in the description, but that is how you are going to install Provenance on iOS 13. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, definitely throw me a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot here at the channel. And if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This has been Jeremy, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.